Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vasant Boroste from KTHM College, Nasik. It gives immense pleasure to hear before you as a program coordinator of the Faculty Development Program. I welcome you all in this 10 days Faculty Development Program on the emerging issues COVID-19 under the title The Scenario of Commerce, Management and Economics Education After COVID-19. This program is jointly organized by KTHM College, Nasik and Faculty Development Center UGC HRDC SPPU Pune. The KTHM College and HRDC Pune organize this FDP and we will try to fill the gap between the students and teachers through providing variety of lectures of entrepreneurs, economists, CA, CMA, management thinkers and academicians. I am sure that all the resource persons of this FDP will try to shape the thoughts and view in the pandemic situation. Ultimately, it will help in shaping the career of the students. Further, I would like to notice you some rules and regulations of this FDP. During the period of 29 June to 8 July 2020, every day there will be at least 2 sessions having a videos of resource persons, and on that basis there will be one assignment and quiz. The participant has to attend all the session, complete the assignments and quiz in stipulated period of time and also submit it on the given link. Please note that your participation and performance in the assignment and quiz will be assessed and taken into account for your certification. The certificate will be issued by the UGC HRDC SPPU Pune and it is based on the results of participants' assignment, daily quiz and final quiz. The tentative schedule of the program is already shared with you. All the participants must have to fill the feedback every day as it is compulsory for every participant as per the UGC HRDC rule. Your valuable feedback certainly help us to enhance us in future program. To conclude my introductory session, I would like to thank you UGC HRDC SPPU Pune, Dr. Sanjeev Sonone sir, Dr. Sachin Surve sir for permitting the FDP. I am very thankful to our principal Dr. VP Gaikwad sir for giving me the opportunity to coordinate this innovative faculty development program. I am also thankful to IQAC committee, technical support system and my team members from Commerce, Management and Economics department. Finally, last but not the least, you all participants coming from each corner of the country. I am sure that this FDP will be grand success with your sincere and active participation. Wish you best luck for coming 10 days. Thank you.